to my main form to demonstrate a class level variable. So we've already seen what the calculate age button does. Okay, we have this from our last example. And what I've done here is I just have a little label that says the current year is. Here I'm going to display the current year, and this is the button that I'm going to click if I want to see the current year. And I want to show you the code for this button. Okay, I've declared the constant year as 2011, and I just take the year and I put it in the label. So I actually have two button events here. Let me just run the program quick so you can see what they do. Okay, enter your birth year. We saw this already. Calculate age, that brings up the second form. I'll close it. Now let's say I want to see the current year. I'll click on this button and it'll just put 2011 here. So you could see that what I've done is I've declared a constant year, 2011, inside of this event and one inside of this event. So in the book it discusses what's called a class level variable. And I'm going to demonstrate this, but I'm going to use a constant instead of a variable, but you can do the same thing with variables as well. If I'm going to be using this every place in my program or in more than one of the events, I'm going to make it a class level variable. In essence, you're making it global. Okay? You're putting it where every procedure, in this case we just have event procedures, can access it. It's going inside of the public class main form. It's going prior to any of the procedures. So now I have access to the year any place I want. So I'm going to run this and you'll see it will still work. There we go. Okay? So when we talk about class level variables, or in this case a class level constant, they kind of work the same. You would put it up prior to any of the events, and then you could use it in any of those procedures that you want within the program.